Hello students, welcome to accountancy class. I am Divya, lecturer in commerce, GSI PU College, Mysore. Today in this session, let us discuss about 12 marks problem from Accounting for Non-for-Profit Organization, Chapter 1, Session 8. Let's get started. From the following receipts and payment account of a club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended March 31st, 2018 and the balance sheet as on that date. So, receipts and payment account is given year ending 31st 3, 2018. So, on the receipt side, to balance brought down 3,500. To subscription 2016-17 2,000, 17-18 70,000, 18-19 3,000, total 75,000. Sale of old books, that is costing rupees 2,300 and the outer column 2,000. To rent from use of hall 17,000, sale of newspapers 400, the profit from entertainment 7,300. Payments by general expenses 900, by salary 16,000, by postage 1,300, by electricity charges 7,800, by furniture 26,500, by books 13,000, by newspaper 600, by meeting expenses 7,200, by TV set bought 16,000, by balance carried down 15,900, total 1,05,200. Additional information. First one, the club has 100 members, each paying an annual subscription of rupees 900. Subscriptions outstanding on March 31st, 2017 were rupees 3,600. Second point, on March 31st, 2018, salary outstanding amounted to rupees 1,000. Salary paid included rupees 1,000 for the year 2016-17. On April 1st, 2017, the club owned land and building rupees 25,000, furniture rupees 2,600 and books rupees 6,200. So, in this question, the opening balance sheet is not given, then you have to prepare the opening balance sheet in order to find the opening capital fund. Receipts and payment account includes both the capital expenditure as well as revenue expenditure. So, in this, on the debit side, to balance brought down, this is the cash balance which is brought down from the previous year. Next one, to subscription is there, 2016-17, this is related to previous year, 17-18 means this is related to current year and 18-19 this is related to next year. So, subscription is a revenue receipt, so it is recorded in the income and expenditure account. So, sale of old books is there, inner column 2,300, in the outer column 2,000 is given. Cost of books is 2,300 but it is sold at rupees 2,000, that means it is a loss. Rent from use of all, it is a revenue receipt. Sale of newspaper, it is also revenue receipt. To profit from entertainment, it is also revenue receipts. So, these are all recorded in the income and expenditure account. Next, on the payment side, by general expenses 900 is there, by salary, postage, electricity charges, these are all revenue expenditure. Next, furniture and books, this is a capital expenditure, it is recorded in the balance sheet. Next one, newspaper and meeting expenses, this is revenue expenditure and it is recorded in income and expenditure account. By TV set bought, this is a capital expenditure. By balance carried down, this is the cash balance carried to the next year, so it is recorded in the balance sheet. The club has 100 members, each paying an annual subscription of rupees 900. So subscription outstanding for March 31st, 2017-18 were rupees 3,600. In order to find out the opening capital fund, we should prepare the opening balance sheet. So in order to prepare the opening balance sheet, the items which are related to previous year, it should be taken in order to calculate the capital fund. Subscription outstanding March 31st, 2017, it is related to previous year, so it should be taken in the opening balance sheet. Then March 31st, 2018, salary outstanding amounted to rupees 1,000. Salary paid included rupees 1,000 for the year 2016. So 2016 related to previous year, so it should be taken in the opening balance sheet. But March 31st, 2018, salary outstanding is there. It should be adjusted twice, once in income and expenditure account and again in balance sheet. Next one, on April 1st, 2017, the club owned land and building rupees 25,000, furniture 2,600 and books rupees 6,200. This is also related to previous year, so it should be taken in the opening balance sheet. Calculate the capital fund. But the first adjustment, the club has 100 members, each paying the annual subscription of rupees 900. This is related to current year. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ದು, ಆದರೆ 2016-17 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ದು ಕೆಲವು ಐಟಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ 1/4/2007 ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್, ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ amount. See the additional information. Subscription outstanding on 31st 2017 were rupees 3,600. Adjustment ಅಲ್ಲಿ subscription outstanding 2017 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ asset side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 2,600. Next see the question. Furniture is given. Furniture that is 2,600. Next, books amounted to rupees 6,200. Next, land and buildings amounted to rupees 25,000. Next, see the receipts and payment account. In the receipts and payment account debit side, to balance brought down is given. So bring that cash balance, cash or bank balance amount is 3,500. Next, in the adjustment, outstanding salary related to previous year, it is given. Bring that one to the liability side. Salary outstanding 2016-17, it is there, that is 1,000. So now you total the asset side, you will get 40,900. Write the same amount on the liability side, 40,900. 40,900 minus 1,000, you will get 39,900. This is capital fund. Balancing figure. So the opening capital fund is 39,900. Next, let us prepare the income and expenditure account. So adding income and expenditure for the year ending 31st/2018. So write debit as well as credit. Next, expenditure, amount, income and amount. Next, see the receipts and payment account. So to balance brought down, it is not taken in the income and expenditure account because that balance which is arrived in the previous year, it is brought down to the current year. Next one is to subscription is there. Subscription related to current year is 70,000. So bring that one to the income side because it is a revenue receipt by subscription So there is an adjustment. First adjustment is the club has 100 members each paying an annual subscription of rupees 900. Outstanding subscription for 2017-18, let us calculate first. So the amount receivable from 100 members at rupees 900 each, it is given in the additional information. So total number of members is 100 into the value is 900 rupees. So when you multiply, you will get 90,000. So less amount received for 2017-18, it is given in the receipts and payment account. The current year subscription is 70,000. So current year ಅಲ್ಲಿ 70,000 subscription ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? 90,000. 90,000 minus 70,000, you will get 20,000. ಈ 20,000 ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ year. So subscription for 17-18 is given in the receipts and payment account, that is 70,000. So outstanding subscription for 17-18 is 20,000. So the total subscription receivable in the current year is 90,000. So how you got this one? 100 into 900 equals to 90,000 minus 70,000, you will get 20,000. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು 18 ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ 18 is 70,000. ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ 2018 is 20,000. This is related to current year. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ additional information ಇಲ್ಲಿ subscription outstanding March 31st to 2017 were rupees 3,600. That is related to previous year. We are already recorded in the opening balance sheet. Next one, the to sale of hold books is there. Inner column 2,300 is there. Outer column 2,000. The book value or cost price is more than the selling price, then it is treated as loss. If cost price is less than the selling price, then it is profit. But in the question, the cost price of the book is given 2,300, but selling price is 2,000. Here cost price is more than the selling price, then it is a loss to the business. So if it is loss, it is recorded on the expenditure side. 2, loss on sale of old books. Cost price is 2,000. Cost price is 2,300 minus 2,000. This is selling price. It is loss to the business, that is 300 rupees. Next one, rent from use of hall is given. So record on the income side because it is a revenue receipt. Rent from use of hall, that is 17,000. Next, sale of newspaper is there. It is also revenue receipts by sale of newspaper, that is 600. Next one, to profit from the entertainment is given. It is also revenue receipt. Record on the income side by profit from entertainment amounted to rupees 7,300. Next, see the general expenses is there on the payment side. So bring that one to the income and expenditure account debit side to general expenses 900. Next one, salary is there. There is an adjustment for the salary. So record in the inner column to salary. Salary amount is 16,000. less. See the second adjustment on March 31st, 2018, salary outstanding rupees 1000. This is related to current year 2018. Salary paid including rupees 1000 for the year 2016-17, that is related to previous year. Current year outstanding salaries idre add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, previous year outstanding idre less ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Less outstanding salary, this is related to 16-17, 1000. So remaining is 15,000. Next, add outstanding salary 17-18, 1000, then you will get 16. Next one, postage is there, so record that one. 2 postage amounted 1300. Next, electricity charges, this is also revenue expenditure. 2 electricity charges, that is 7800. Next, books, furniture and books, that is capital expenditure, it is recorded in the balance sheet. Next one, newspaper is there, so it is a revenue expenditure. 2 newspaper, that is 600. Next one, meeting expenses is there, record this one on the income and expenditure debit side. 2 meeting expenses 7200. Next, TV set is there, it is recorded in balance sheet. Next, buy balance carried down, that is a cash balance, it is also recorded in balance sheet. Now you total the income and expenditure account. So which side is greater here? Income side. When you total, you will get 1,14,700. Write the same total on the debit side, 1,14,700. From that, deduct all these items, then you will get 80,600. This is current year surplus to surplus. Excess of income over expenditure, that is 80,600. So one more information is there, that is in the receipts and payment account, subscription related to 2016-17 is given, that is 2000. But in the adjustment, the subscription outstanding on 31st March 2017, that is 3600. So outstanding subscription 31st-3-2017, this is related to next year, it is given in the adjustment, that is 3600. But in the receipts and payment account, under subscription head, the year is given, that is 2016 and 17. So less amount received on 2017-18 rupees 2000. So you will get the balance 1600. This 1600, it will be recorded in the closing balance sheet, that is outstanding subscription related to previous year. See the opening balance sheet, we already calculated the capital fund, that is opening capital fund. So bring the opening balance, it is in the opening balance sheet, that is 39,900. Next, add current year surplus, that is 80,600. When you total, you will get 1,20,500. See the opening balance sheet. In the opening balance sheet, furniture is there. So bring that furniture amount 2,600 from the opening balance sheet. Then add additional purchase. It is given in the receipts and payment account 28,500. So when you total, you will get 29,100. First see the opening balance sheet. Book is there. Bring that book value 6,200. Current year purchase is there, additional purchase, it is given in the receipts and payment account 13,000. When you add, you will get 19,200. Next one, so if any sale of books is there in the current year, it has to be adjusted here. So less sale of old books amounted to rupees 2,300. When you deduct, you will get 16,900. Next one, see the opening balance sheet, land and building is there, bring that one, land and building. There is no adjustment, record as it is in the outer column 25,000. Next, see the receipts and payment account, TV set bought in the current year is there, record that one, TV set. It is an capital expenditure, amount is 16,000. So see the receipts and payment account, balance carried down is there 15,900. This is cash balance. So record on the asset side, cash balance is 15,900. So whatever given in the receipts and payment account as well as in the opening balance sheet, that we recorded in the closing balance sheet. Now let us go through the additional information. Any current year outstanding is there, it has to be recorded. Subscription outstanding is there, record that one, subscription outstanding. Related to 16-17 is there. So in the opening balance sheet, we have taken the current year subscription 3,600, that is outstanding. In the receipts and payment account, 16-17 subscription is given, that is 2,000 received. So remaining is 1,600, that is still outstanding subscription of previous year. So record that one here, 1,600. And subscription outstanding related to 17-18, that is related to current year, we already calculated, that is 20,000. It is in income and expenditure account. Current year outstanding we are already calculated in the income and expenditure account credit side, that is 20,000. So 17-18 outstanding is 20,000. When we add, we'll get 21,600. Then in the receipts and payment account, subscription received in advance is there. How you can identify that one? That the year is given, that is 18-19. So that is received in advance. Subscription received in advance, that is 3,000. Next, outstanding salary is there, that is related to current year outstanding, it is in adjustment, that is 1,000. So all the adjustments are adjusted here. So let us total the balance sheet. So the total of the balance sheet is 1,24,500. So here was 1,24,500. So assets is equals to liabilities. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ, ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಟ, ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ನು, ಆ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ 16-17 ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ದು ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ 20,000. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಟ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಆಲ್. Thank you.